What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I made a complete remake of my Orange House map that you've seen so much. Basically, I just got a new map and kept some features the same, like the pool, underwater basement, but also added all new stuff like vents and sections in between the floors, as you can see there. By the way, today I have two friends to help me show you it. First is Cheese.
Hawk to us, written up pig.
Get out. Next, I have Sour Patch Kid.
Raise your ya!
Sure you do.
Bro, what the
Skibbity Red Bull.
He's underwater!
Alright, let's find these little monkeys. Okay, I heard someone talking to water. I want to do security camera, but I just found out that that doesn't work because the mobile app just targets that, so we had a whole round of hide and seek that went to waste on video. Always gotta check the plants. Ooh, could go here next round. What is that, Sigma? It's gonna destroy it.
Who is that?
That's him. That's He's one full
So many times before.
Try tickling people's nipples?
Yes. Nibbling yourself?
Yes.
Doesn't everybody try to nibble
But you're actually
themselves?
so bad.
Doesn't everybody try to nibble themselves?
Brad, you're actually so bad.
Oh,
what are you doing?
like,
Your
The
life.
key feature of the house I want to show you guys real quick. The coolest, bestest thing.
did you know
Right
I'm not
here.
a Sigma boy?
I literally built it.
Who is
Got
this? Looks
Some
like a
cool
chicken.
colors. By the way, guys, I made myself a brand new profile picture today. And today when I'm filming, I'm not sure if
I'm gonna tickle you if you can sing. I do it.
it will not be today when you guys are watching this. But yeah. Oh, I haven't even been out here to the treehouse yet. This is a bit of like a throwback to old places, a little hangout area on the treehouse, but the treehouse is now abandoned.
Oh, you're actually so bad at hide and go seek. That's your only one job in this game. You're actually bad at it.
I'm a builder, not a seeker, big boy.
I like tickling children. That's what I like to do.
All right, buddy. These people. I have an idea.
like eating
I've never
more
played hide and
shit.
seek, so these things are never
Hi.
actually useful to me.
Hi, dude. I just saw fucking tag you, 'cause I just wanna. I don't want to be held full of taggers.
All of you watching right now, congratulate me for my big brain skill. What the Sigma?
You did an IQ test, and the IQ turned to 0.
Am I the only one seeing this? Am I tweaking out?
0.000.
Why am I seeing lasers, like the sniper laser? Bro, I'm the worst seeker in the history of thieves.
At least you're seeing Roboco.
I'm dead. No!
Ha!
You! I got stuck, and I'm like, oh shit, I'm dead. Can I saw you walk by?
Yeah. We'll go back to the clip. I will show you the clip later. I hit you while you were moving.
You know the game has aim assist, right? Look, if I were to do this, it would go after you.
I have it turned off.
There is no such thing as fake aim assist. Look,
Look,
I shoot straight,
it's-
it goes after you.
Where is it?
What the yap.
Okay, Kima,
see?
I'll give you $5.
Aim assist's off. If you guys can see this on the video, I'll show it to Logan later. Aim assist is off for me.
I'll give you $5. Okay, Kima.
He's targeting me.
Keep
I know
my-
it. I need
Brett,
to get this.
I tag you, UK Chima. Deal?
No.
Yeah,
No.
no.
Why?
I'll just
Did
pass.
I just start pointing the lasers in the sky? Maybe.
I know exactly
Oh,
where Brett's going.
I shouldn't have shot at the window. Oh my god. Why am I starting this headache?
Trust, I can smell bread. I can smell this soggy bread. I was like,
It was you that was shooting. Aiming.
I was just over here going like this.
I saw it. I saw it out of the corner of my
Nuh-uh.
eye.
no grapplers. That's a new rule. No grapplers, bro. I said no grapplers before.
But
No. No, I at least said before when you weren't here, and they all agreed.
Okay, fine.
Brett, I know you're in the treehouse. I at least here. I see both of you guys' thing.
Where is it? I saw somebody, but then I lost.
Where did they go?
Where did you go? Is he blind?
Inside my head.
3, 2, 1. They probably jumped off.
Stop being annoying.
How am I annoying? You're the one dude.
Hey,
I'll pose up.
I hit you. My
Stop being annoying by sending your effing donkey donkey.
I'm better than monster inside my head.
Wait, you got away with that.
No way. I see you, Brad.
You stinky.
Brad.
Run.
Hear that glass break? Let me numb in your toes.
Hold up.
There's no way.
Get over here, Kima.
Go.
There's the corner.
Oh, you're in the water vent. Oh,
Okay, cheese. You best. Go ahead. Place one. Go.
bro, can I poop inside your toilet?
I can hear you guys shushing you, right? I know exactly your location.
No.
I didn't know this was coming.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get off, guys. Bye-bye.
Cheese got tagged and I started tweaking. But anyone built other than myself was over here. Caretaker's shed.
I built. Brett, I was with you the whole time. I didn't build this.
Were you like
There's some
tickling
free
children?
weapons.
Free weapons.
Oh, why is it always me when I try to go in that hiding spot?
Because
I
I,
love
know
that hiding
exactly where you
spot,
are.
but I can't.
Brad, you wait, hold on, count to 5. That's not fair.
You had your chance to run.
No, I didn't!
Oh look, there's some people.
Actually, I'm watching Netflix.
No grapplers.
La, 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 la,
We agreed to no grapplers, and you break the rules again.
We never agreed to that.
la,
I see him. Why?
To be like a cat.
You, dude! Stop it! Stop this tomfoolery!
Hi.
Move!
Nuh-uh, you can't get it. I need you consent.
Finally!
Yo, I hate this. Yo, I hate this one
You
part.
biggie!
I hate this.
You're so fast!
COMM is better. You target her. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh my god, I forgot I was sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh.
Y'all are so dumb. I just feel
I had 10 Costco pizzas.
Uh-oh.
Watch my beauty aid.
Alright.
No grappler. Holy.
We never agreed on no grapplers.
Let's agree now. No grapplers. Grapplers are too broken.
Oh, there he is.
I hate you. Cool. Fire. Feisty.
He's in the war table room, I think.
You can do that. Too tired.
No!
I saw your name tag.
2 times in a row. You're
Okay.
stinky.
New rule, no grapplers. Grapplers are too broken.
Fine.
But you're allowed to use party cannons.
Alright, that's it for today's YouTube video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and my new profile picture.
Don't
All that crap.
subscribe.
I'm gonna
Drew
try
it.
and lock
I
in
put my credits in it. Put my
and
credits in it.
sweat. And
Hold on, add
sweat
this.
on the
Show
editing.
this. Brett, show this. Brett, show this. Brett, show
So,
this. Brett,
yeah,
show
that's
this. Brett, show
basically
this.
it for
Hurry
today.
up.
We will see
Brett, you have 10 seconds to show this.
you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe,
Brett,
or
swear
I
if you
will
don't show
have
this
to
next 10
find
seconds-
you. Okay, okay, I'm
Brett, show
coming.
this.
Jeez.
So look
There.
at this. Look at this beautiful sign that shows I did
Makes me
all the
want to
work.
stab my eyes out.